Well, I'm out front of Hendrick Chevrolet in Hoover, Alabama, and what did I spy? A black vinyl-wrapped Tesla Cybertruck. Quite the attention getter to put in front of your dealership. Although, it does say, as is, no dealer warranty. Probably a wise move. No wheel covers. That's interesting. What's worrying is that they've got it sitting next to a swamp. Not sure how well the Cybertruck's going to deal with that. Who would have thought that you would ever see something as quirky and weird as that for sale in the United States?